Hey guys, this is Rohan from Trapdoors Cubing. Today we have an unboxing from SpeedCubeShop, and in this should be the Wuque Mini from Chi. And yep, standard unboxing, box, 700-page receipt, and then actual cube there. So let's get this open. It's a nice magnetic box. Hopefully I'm getting the angle right, okay. And yeah, here's the cube, put the box to the side. And yeah, let me get this out of the plastic. And as you guys probably know, 4x4 is my favorite event, so I might as well just have like every 4x4 in the market. Okay, this is dry as hell out of the box. Okay, anyways, your first turn. Okay, this is very different. At Nats, I went to the cubicle vendor, and I tried Wuque Mini out of the box, and it was lubed, and this is dry as can be. Yeah, here's my current thing, the GAN 460. I set it up pretty well in my opinion, and I performed pretty well with it. And also I have my Wuque, which it is right here. I don't like it anymore because it's pretty dead. And yeah, this is my main, but we'll see about the Wuque Mini once I set it up. But for now, it's already like getting a lot faster. It's faster than the normal Wuque out of the box, for sure. Let's do some more turns on it. Yeah. Well, that's pretty nice. Probably gonna be my new main, because the smaller size is definitely nice, and it just feels really well. I mean, not really well, really good. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.